In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a photography website with Squarespace. We're keeping this simple and focused, so you can get a professional-looking site started in just a few minutes. The goal is to go from zero to a clean photography framework you can build on, without getting overwhelmed by options or design decisions up front. First, click Create Website on Squarespace. If you're brand new, you'll automatically be guided into the site creation flow, so you won't have to hunt for anything. This kicks off a short, friendly wizard that sets the foundation for your site. Think of it as answering a few quick preferences, so Squarespace can pre-configure the right layout and tools for you. You don't need to write any code, and you don't have to finalize your branding or content right now. You're just laying the groundwork. Next, choose photography as the main topic for your website. This tells Squarespace you're showcasing visual work, and it will prioritize image-forward layouts and features. You'll see checkboxes for the functions you want to include. Pick only what you truly need to get started. For example, select galleries or portfolio if you want curated image collections. A blog if you plan to share behind-the-scenes stories or tutorials. An online store if you'll sell prints, presets, or downloads. Scheduling if clients should be able to book sessions. And a contact page so inquiries land in your inbox. Don't worry about getting this perfect today. You can add or remove functions later, so it's fine to start lean and expand as your site grows. Now, select a template for your photography website. Browse the designs and preview how they present images. Look for generous white space, strong typography, and navigation that makes it easy to move between portfolios, services, and contact. If you shoot primarily vertical portraits, notice how the template handles tall images. If you're a landscape photographer, check how wide shots fill the page. Dark backgrounds can make colors pop, while light backgrounds feel airy and editorial. Choose the vibe that fits your work. Pay attention to mobile previews too, since many visitors will view your site on their phones. When you've found a template that feels right, select it, and Squarespace will spin up your site with demo content so you can visualize the structure before adding your own images and text. And that's all. You've just created the foundation for a polished photography website on Squarespace. From here, you can refine at your own pace, but the essential setup is done. Thanks for watching, and happy building.